Some of the most common symptoms of chest infection are consistent cough, wheezing or shortness of breath, chest pain, coughing up yellow or green mucus or phlegm, fever, etc. Depending on the severity of the infection, these symptoms can occur with a short-term sickness, such as flu or the common cold, or can be in a more severe form, such as acute bronchitis or pneumonia. But what if you could soothe your chest infection and improve your breathing using only natural ingredients found in your home? That's right. Let's learn about some of the most effective techniques and natural home remedies to help treatment of chest infection and relieve its symptoms. Number 1. Ginger. Due to its amazing medicinal and anti-inflammatory properties, ginger has been traditionally used for hundreds of years to help relieve the symptoms of chest infections. The bioactive compounds in ginger have powerful antioxidant properties that can help to protect the respiratory tract and nasal airways against free radical damage or oxidative stress. Some studies also show that ginger also has antispasmodic and pain-relieving properties, which can not only help in suppressing cough, but can also cause the nasal pathways to relax. Eventually, this can make it easier for you to breathe and expel mucus or phlegm from the throat. Studies also show that eating ginger or drinking ginger tea also helps strengthen the immune system, resulting in a lower risk of developing chest infections in the first place. You can make ginger tea by boiling fresh slices of ginger in water for several minutes. Then strain this water and add a teaspoon of honey and lemon to add extra flavor and additional health benefits to it. Before we proceed, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by becoming a patron. Number 2. Hot lemon and honey syrup. Hot lemon and honey syrup is a very popular and powerful home remedy for chest infections, as both lemon and honey have properties that can help relieve the symptoms of chest infections. Here's how they work. Lemon is usually high in vitamin C, which is known to boost the immune system and help the body fight off infections. The acidic nature of lemon can also help break down mucus, making it easier to cough up and clear from the chest. As for honey, well, it has amazing natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can help kill the germs causing the chest infection. Honey is also a natural cough suppressant and decongestant, which means it can be very useful for soothing a sore throat and relieving coughing associated with chest infections. Together, both lemon and honey create a soothing and flavorful syrup that can be consumed several times a day to help relieve the symptoms of chest infection. You can easily make it at home. Simply boil a cup of water and squeeze half a lemon into it. Be sure to remove lemon seeds first. Then, add honey to your taste. Your own homemade cough syrup is ready. You can drink this syrup 3 to 4 times a day to speed up the recovery process. Number 3. Gargling with salt water. Mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a glass of warm water. Stir this solution until the salt has dissolved. Then gargle with this solution for 30 seconds to a minute, and be careful not to swallow any of the solutions. Doing this can be a very effective way to remove mucus from the throat, soothe the sore throat, and clear out the nasal airways. Salt also has natural antibacterial properties, which can help kill the germs in the throat and the respiratory tract. Salt water gargles can be done several times a day as needed to help relieve symptoms of a chest infection. However, it's recommended to limit the frequency to 2 to 3 times a day. Salt has dryness effects, due to which over-gargling with the salt solution can lead to excessive dryness and irritation in the mouth and throat. Number 4. Natural essential oils. There are several essential oils that have been traditionally used for centuries to help relieve the symptoms of chest infections. Let's have a look at some of them, and then see how you can use them. Eucalyptus oil. This essential oil has amazingly strong antiseptic and expectorant properties, which means that it can effectively help break down mucus and cough it out. Plus, it can also help relieve sore throat and congestion in the chest. Peppermint oil. This natural essential oil has a cooling and soothing effect on the throat, making it useful for relieving sore throat and coughing associated with chest infections. It also has antiseptic properties that can help kill germs in the respiratory tract and throat. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has a special type of antioxidant known as alpha-terpene, which has powerful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. Due to this compound and several others, the tea tree essential oil can be extremely effective in killing germs and preventing infection from spreading in the respiratory tract. Thyme oil. Thyme oil has natural antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and expectorant properties, due to which it can potentially help break down and expel the mucus or phlegm from the throat, bring down the inflammation in the respiratory tract, and relieve congestion in the chest. To use essential oils for chest infections, add a few drops of oil to a diffuser and breathe in the aromatic steam. As an alternative, you can also add a few drops of oil to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam. Another great way to use it effectively for chest infection is by making a vapor rub. Simply take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mix 6 to 8 drops of your favorite essential oil into it. Then you can apply it on your chest and back. It can not only help you get quick relief from chest congestion, but can also speed up the recovery process. Number 5. Extra pillows. Don't worry, we aren't going to ask you to eat or smell them. You can use them for a technique known as postural drainage. This technique can be very effective to help you clear mucus from the lungs, resulting in relief from the symptoms of chest infections such as coughing and congestion. Here is one of the most common ways to do postural drainage. Simply lie down on your back. Place 2 to 3 pillows under your lower abdomen so that your belly and hips are at a higher level than your lungs. This allows the mucus in the lungs to loosen up while pushing it up the throat under the action of gravity, where you can expel it by coughing. To enhance its efficiency, postural drainage can also be combined with other techniques such as breathing exercises and chest physiotherapy. However, it's very important to note that postural drainage should only be performed under the guidance of a physiotherapist or your health specialist, as improper technique can cause discomfort or other complications. Besides all these natural home remedies, you should also consider bringing some positive changes to your lifestyle, such as: Number 1. Try to get plenty of rest. Ensure that your body gets enough time to focus on recovering and rejuvenating itself. Number 2. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration can also potentially contribute to dryness of the throat and nasal airways, inflammation, and thickness of phlegm in the throat. So try to keep yourself hydrated. Number 3. Try to avoid cold drinks, energy drinks, and artificial fruit juices with extra sugar, smoking, and alcohol consumption, because they can worsen your symptoms of chest infection. Another important thing to note is that despite being very effective and efficient, all the techniques and home remedies mentioned in this video are not an alternative to medications or medical treatment for chest infections. So it's best to use them with your usual way of medical treatment and with the advice of your healthcare professional. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next video.